Alright boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. This is a project meant to first and foremost teach you guitar, of course. But there's also a secondary goal, and that is to open your eyes to music in general. I teach guitar as a part of my daily profession, and my students often react like, can I really play this song on guitar? This is not a guitar song. Well, of course you can. All kinds of music can be played on guitar. Sometimes you just need to make some tweaks and modifications, but it is fully possible. So my mission is to have a focus on these non-classical guitar songs from, let's say, Ed Sheeran and similar artists. But of course, all music styles will be covered here. And my goal is to upload a couple of songs weekly. I also hope that a lot of this channel's content can be based on your wishes. So please interact with me, subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment. So let's rock this together, and as always, play tuned.